Ever wondered if your go-to meals could be silently impacting your health? Today, we're delving into the hidden story behind those tasty treats we all love. From the crispy, tempting French fries to that savory burger you can't resist, what if they held a secret beyond flavor? Even your favorite soda or the sweet delight of cookies might have more to reveal than meets the eye. We're uncovering the surprising connections between these everyday indulgences and our liver's well-being. But it's not all cautionary tales. I've got some smart swaps that won't make you sacrifice taste. So stick around. We're about to peel back the layers on these beloved foods, discovering the secrets they've been keeping. Ready for a journey that might change how you look at your plate? Let's dive in. Number 12, French fries. French fries, often celebrated for their crispy allure, possess underlying risks that adversely affect liver health. These fried delights, commonly associated with fast food establishments worldwide, conceal harmful components detrimental to the liver's well-being. French fries contain trans fats, notorious for their adverse effects on health. The presence of trans fats disrupts the lipid balance, leading to increased LDL cholesterol and reduced HDL cholesterol levels. This imbalance not only burdens the cardiovascular system but also instigates liver inflammation, compromising its vital metabolic functions. Continuous exposure to trans fats can contribute to the onset and progression of fatty liver disease. Moreover, the cooking process involved in making French fries at high temperatures induces the formation of acrylamide. Scientific studies have highlighted acrylamide as a catalyst for oxidative stress and inflammation within liver cells, potentially causing damage and impeding proper liver function. Considering these risks, exploring healthier alternatives becomes essential. Opting for homemade baked sweet potato fries serves as a more liver-friendly choice. Sweet potatoes offer valuable nutrients like antioxidants and fiber, providing nutritional benefits while minimizing the formation of acrylamide when baked at lower temperatures. Number 11, burgers. Burgers, adored for their savory allure, conceal an unsuspected threat to liver well-being. Most traditional burgers are crafted from beef high in saturated fats, which poses a significant risk to liver health over time. The primary concern with burgers lies in the high content of saturated fats found in beef. Consumption of saturated fats contributes to elevated levels of LDL cholesterol, impacting cardiovascular health and concurrently endangering liver function. Prolonged intake of saturated fats burdens the liver's metabolic processes, potentially leading to the development of fatty liver disease. This condition arises as the liver struggles to efficiently metabolize and process excessive fat intake, resulting in fat accumulation within liver cells, impeding their proper function and potentially leading to liver complications. For individuals craving a burger, opting for leaner alternatives such as turkey or chicken can mitigate the saturated fat content. Lean poultry options offer a lower fat profile while providing essential proteins, presenting a favorable choice for those mindful of liver health. By reducing the strain on the liver, these alternatives promote a healthier internal environment and diminish the risk of fatty liver disease. Number 10, soda. Known by various names like pop or cola, carries detrimental effects on liver health. This sugary delight poses grave risks, especially concerning the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies have brought to light the alarming repercussions of excessive soda consumption on the liver. The high sugar content in soda presents a significant threat. Regular intake of sugary beverages like soda contributes to an increased risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This condition entails the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells, a process linked to liver damage and inflammation. The adverse impact of soda on the liver's health stems from the excessive sugar load. The liver, responsible for metabolizing sugars, becomes overburdened when continually processing high levels of sugar from soda. This overload leads to the conversion of sugars into fat, causing fat buildup in liver cells, impairing their function and potentially progressing to liver complications. Opting for healthier alternatives like water or unsweetened tea is pivotal when quenching thirst. Water serves as a hydrating and cleansing agent for the body, promoting overall health and reducing the strain on the liver. Unsweetened tea offers a refreshing choice without the detrimental effects of added sugars, making it a favorable option for maintaining liver health. Number 9, donuts. Donuts, beloved for their sugary allure, harbor hidden dangers that pose significant threats to liver health. Despite their popularity, these sweet treats carry an alarming combination of sugar and trans fats, initiating potential risks associated with liver function and fat metabolism. The perilous components within donuts, primarily sugar and trans fats, can profoundly impact liver health. The high sugar content in donuts contributes to elevated blood sugar levels, inducing insulin resistance over time. This resistance impairs the body's ability to effectively utilize insulin, leading to increased fat storage, especially within the liver. Trans fats, another concerning element present in donuts, further exacerbate the risks to liver health. These artificial fats not only contribute to increased LDL cholesterol levels but also pose a threat to liver function. Consuming trans fats prompts inflammation within the liver, impairing its ability to process fats efficiently and leading to the accumulation of fat within liver cells. Excessive consumption of donuts can lead to insulin resistance, causing the liver to store more fat than it should. This scenario often contributes to the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by the accumulation of fat in liver cells, compromising liver function and potentially leading to liver complications. Opting for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits when craving something sweet becomes imperative. Fresh fruits offer natural sugars along with essential nutrients, providing a satisfying and nutritious alternative to the detrimental effects of sugary and trans fat-laden donuts. Number 8. Pizza. Pizza, a universally cherished comfort food, conceals potential threats to liver health. While its popularity knows no bounds, most traditional pizzas harbor ingredients that can adversely affect liver function. The primary concerns with pizza lie in its heavy use of cheese and processed meats. These ingredients, when consumed excessively, impose a burden on the liver. High-fat dairy products like cheese, particularly when used generously on pizzas, contribute to elevated levels of saturated fats. Consuming excessive saturated fats increases LDL cholesterol levels and poses risks to cardiovascular health. However, its effects extend to liver health as well. Continuous intake of these fats can lead to inflammation and compromise liver function over time. Processed meats, often found as toppings on pizzas, also pose risks to liver health. These meats contain additives and preservatives that can stress the liver when metabolizing these compounds. Moreover, some processed meats contain high levels of sodium and saturated fats, both of which can contribute to liver inflammation and potential damage. Opting for homemade pizza with fresh vegetables and a whole grain crust offers a healthier alternative. Fresh vegetables provide essential nutrients while adding fiber and antioxidants to the meal. Choosing a whole grain crust over refined flour options adds additional fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthier balance within the body. Number 7. Hot dogs. Hot dogs, often enjoyed for their convenience and taste, pose significant risks to liver health due to their high sodium and preservative content. These sausages, commonly savored at events or barbecues, can adversely impact liver function. The high sodium levels in hot dogs contribute to increased blood pressure, placing strain on the liver's ability to regulate bodily functions. Prolonged consumption of sodium-rich foods like hot dogs can potentially lead to liver damage and compromise its efficiency. Furthermore, preservatives used in hot dogs to extend shelf life and enhance flavor can also burden the liver. Some additives found in processed meats have been associated with inflammation and potential harm to liver function over time. For those seeking healthier options, grilling chicken or fish provides a better choice. These lean protein sources offer essential nutrients without the excessive sodium or preservatives found in hot dogs. Opting for grilled chicken or fish promotes liver health by providing vital nutrients while reducing the strain caused by high sodium and preservatives found in processed meats like hot dogs. Number 6. Fried chicken. Fried chicken, a cherished Southern classic revered for its taste, presents health concerns related to liver well-being. Despite its popularity, fried chicken's high levels of saturated fats and calories can pose risks, particularly concerning liver health. The predominant issue with fried chicken is its substantial load of saturated fats. These fats, commonly found in fried foods like chicken, elevate LDL cholesterol levels, impacting cardiovascular health and potentially influencing liver health. Excessive consumption of fried chicken may lead to the accumulation of saturated fats in the body, potentially contributing to obesity and increasing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Additionally, the high caloric content in fried chicken plays a significant role. The breading and frying process contributes substantial calories, potentially leading to weight gain. Obesity, often linked to high-calorie diets like those involving fried chicken, presents a risk factor for liver complications, including NAFLD. Choosing healthier cooking methods such as baking or grilling chicken provides a preferable alternative. These methods reduce the added fats while retaining essential nutrients, offering a leaner protein source without the excess saturated fats and calories typically found in fried chicken. Number 5. Bacon, a beloved breakfast staple known for its savory taste, contains high levels of saturated fats and sodium, posing risks to overall health, including liver function. The significant concern with bacon lies in its rich content of saturated fats. Consuming saturated fats abundant in bacon can elevate LDL cholesterol levels, affecting cardiovascular health and potentially impacting liver function. Regular consumption of bacon, laden with saturated fats, may contribute to their accumulation in the body, potentially leading to high blood pressure and increasing the risk of liver damage over time. Moreover, bacon contains substantial amounts of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure. High sodium intake, often found in bacon and other processed meats, can stress the liver as it regulates bodily functions. Excessive sodium consumption from foods like bacon can exacerbate liver complications and further contribute to potential liver damage. Seeking healthier alternatives such as turkey bacon or veggie bacon offers a favorable choice. Turkey bacon provides a leaner option with reduced saturated fat content, alleviating strain on the liver. Veggie bacon, made from plant-based ingredients, offers a lower sodium alternative without compromising on taste, promoting better liver health. Number 4. Sausages. Sausages, known by various names like brats, weenies, or links, are a widely enjoyed food globally. However, they often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives which can pose risks to liver health. The primary concern revolves around the notable sodium and preservative content in sausages. Elevated sodium levels contribute to increased blood pressure, placing stress on the liver's regulatory functions. Additionally, the presence of preservatives utilized for extending shelf life can potentially impact liver function when consumed regularly. Opting for healthier alternatives such as grilled chicken or turkey sausages provides a leaner protein option with reduced sodium content and fewer preservatives compared to traditional sausages. These alternatives offer flavor without the excessive sodium and preservatives that can burden liver function. Number 3. Potato chips. Potato chips, favored for their crispy texture, are a commonly enjoyed snack. However, these beloved snacks come with drawbacks. They're often loaded with trans fats and sodium, which can pose risks to liver health. The primary concern surrounding potato chips is their significant content of trans fats and sodium. Trans fats, prevalent in processed and fried foods like potato chips, elevate LDL cholesterol levels, impacting cardiovascular health and potentially influencing liver function. Additionally, the substantial sodium levels in potato chips contribute to increased blood pressure, placing stress on the liver and overall bodily regulation. Overindulgence in potato chips can lead to adverse health effects, including high blood pressure and potential liver damage over time. The combined impact of sustained high sodium intake and the presence of trans fats burdens the liver, affecting its optimal function and increasing the risk of liver complications. Choosing a healthier alternative, such as air-popped popcorn, provides a better snacking option. Air-popped popcorn is a whole grain, naturally low in fat and sodium. It offers a satisfying crunch without the excessive trans fats or sodium found in potato chips. Opting for this alternative snack supports liver health by reducing the intake of harmful components while offering a flavorful and healthier choice. Number 2. Ice cream. Ice cream, a beloved sweet treat, is often rich in sugar and calories, presenting concerns for overall health, including liver well-being. The primary issue with ice cream lies in its high sugar and calorie content. Excessive sugar consumption, typical in ice cream, can lead to insulin resistance over time. This resistance affects the body's insulin utilization, potentially prompting the liver to store surplus fat. Additionally, the significant calorie count in ice cream, derived from sugars and cream, can contribute to weight gain. Overindulging in high-calorie foods like ice cream can lead to obesity, a condition associated with liver complications, including fatty liver disease. Overconsumption of ice cream may contribute to insulin resistance, potentially prompting the liver to store excess fat. This imbalance in fat metabolism can lead to the accumulation of fat within liver cells, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. To manage its impact on liver health, moderation in consuming ice cream is essential. Opting for healthier varieties, such as reduced sugar options or dairy-free alternatives, can mitigate some adverse effects while allowing the enjoyment of ice cream without compromising liver well-being. Number 1. Cookies. Cookies, beloved for their sweet flavor, are a favored treat for many. However, these delightful snacks carry an adverse side. They're often laden with sugar and trans fats, potentially posing risks to liver health. The primary concern with cookies stems from their high sugar and trans fat content. Excessive sugar intake, commonly found in cookies, can lead to insulin resistance over time. This resistance disrupts the body's insulin utilization, potentially prompting the liver to store excess fat. Additionally, trans fats, prevalent in processed and baked goods like cookies, elevate LDL cholesterol levels, impacting cardiovascular health and potentially affecting liver function. Overindulgence in cookies may lead to insulin resistance, potentially prompting the liver to store surplus fat. This imbalance in fat metabolism can result in the accumulation of fat within liver cells, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Choosing healthier alternatives, such as fresh fruits, offers a more liver-friendly option for those seeking a sweet treat. Fresh fruits provide natural sugars alongside essential nutrients, offering a satisfying and nutritious alternative to the potential detrimental effects of sugary and trans fat-loaded cookies. As we conclude this exploration into the hidden impacts on liver health posed by everyday favorites, remember that making small, mindful choices can reshape our well-being. Opt for alternatives, savor fresh options, and take charge of your health. Let's pave the way for a liver-friendly future together. If you found this insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your circle, and subscribe for more health-conscious content. Your journey to a healthier you begins here. Thank you for watching.